Hi my friends. Today I will show you how to register at Binance. You can see I am here at Binance. What I am using is the web version of Binance. So that's it. So first is you have to click the link on the video description. If you want to make an account, so there is a link in the video description with 20% discount on Binance fees. Let's click that. Or, let's click the register if site opened before. Like on this video, because we are to create an account here at Binance. Just click on register. So I will teach you on how to create an account and how you can verify your account. There is no need for KYC at Binance if your transaction is less than 2 BTC. So you can register here using your email and your mobile. So if email, just type your email, and then your password, and for your mobile, you have to type it here. You have to find here your country, then put your mobile here. Then put your password, but I really recommend email here at Binance. So let's make an account. I will make a dummy account just for this video, so I already put my email and I also have a password. The password here should be 8 characters. At least 1 uppercase and 2 numbers. And you can use Referral ID for lifetime discount on fees. I recommend do this. Just enter the ID. And then check what you get discount on commissions 20%. This will be written under the email and password fields. Then click create an account. Then there will be a verification, just drag it. Okay, then for account verification, they will send an email, then you have to open your email address. The email should be an active email and out your verification code here. This is the example of an email that you will receive from Finance, and this is the account activation code that you will put there in order for your account to be activated. To log in, we need to use our email and our password. So we can see here the security verification. It's either you will use phone verification or security verification. So if you like phone verification, use this, because in the Google verification you have to download the Google Authenticator app, but if you do not know how to use it, better choose the phone verification. Then click phone verification, then put your country here, put your number here, and then click send code. Put the verification code that Binance gave to you. Then about the email verification, you have to click the send code. First, click send code here and then click send code here. You will put the code they sent to you, then click on submit. The verification that was done earlier can be accomplished later, so you will just click the remind me later. Let's click this button here, that's it. Then let's click here, so you can see your actual account here. So this is what will appear, then just click the remind me later. So I will teach you how to set up. So basically, you will see here your balance, so this is your dashboard. So let's click here again, you can see the security. You will see here how you can verify your account. So we have here Google Authentication, SMS Authentication, and if you like to change your email. Oh, we have SMS Authentication and Google Authentication, so if you did not set it up earlier, you can do it here. They also have here anti-phishing address management and identification verification. KYC is only needed if your transaction is more than 2 BTC. Other than that, we can have a transaction here that is less than 2 BTC, and the only thing that we need is the SMS authentication. So let's go back here. And if you want to check your wallet, just click the wallet. There is also an overview here via TimeSpot. Let's go to the overview. You can see your overview balance here. If you want to hide your balance, just click that, so the overall balance is here, all your balance from via TimeSpot, cross margin, P2P earn. And for the pool, if you only like the via TimeSpot, you will click here so you can see your balance here from spot trading. So let's wait because it is still loading. So this is what is on the spot. It is still 0 because this is just a dummy account. If you want to trade, just click the trade. You can see there the convert, classic, advanced margin, and P2P. So basically this is still what I can share to you. I hope someone will find it useful. If you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with crypto, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. Right there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but at the same time it will help me and use to algorithm. We'll push the video out to more people who see the positive side crypto world. Thanks.